All right, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. The market, as you guys can see, we see the market has took a little downturn here. So as we can see in September, that's how it is every September. So, I mean, I've been saying it probably in the last like maybe 10 videos. I was saying it all last month. I think I said it inside July as well, that September is September, and something about the essence, September and Sundays, just like to be read, historically, shall I say. But yeah, but guys, as we can see here in the last day, we were at the market cap, as you guys can see, we at 392 billion, and we dropped down to 373. So pretty much almost $20 billion came out of the market. But I mean, as always, you got to look at both sides of the story as well. If you look at it for the week, the last 7 days, this time last week, we were at 360 billion, and now we're at 373. So we're still up, if you look at it for the week. So if anybody just bought in yesterday, they're kind of mad. But if you've been in in the past week, you're actually happy. So, it just went down a little bit. But I mean, we're still doing fine. I mean, the market cap of 373 billion. We have 24-hour volume, 140 billion. BTC dominance is still going down at 56.2 billion. So, I mean, for anybody that's been in for a little while, I mean, it's pretty happy. If you just look at it and just start looking at some charts and just start really putting everything together, as you guys can see here, man, we're right down here. You know what I mean? So if we come down here, we're still respecting that 50-day moving average. And if you think about it, we're respecting that 11,100, So if you really look at it in that perspective, you're really seeing how you can just put that support right here around at 11.1, and then let's just see how it works. And we're looking at the daily chart. Let's just see how it works off of that 11.1, and then we'll just go from there. But it's respecting it. It's definitely respecting it. We're seeing it respected all the way here. We're seeing it here. Those wicks dropping. It's not selling there. It's just the wicks dropping down there, respecting it. It's a good way. I mean, you can put some buy orders down here just to see how it goes from there as well. And then you can be happy. It comes back up to 11.3, and then it just respects it. So that's just something to look at, guys. So let's get right into it, guys. So it's a DeFi flippening comes to exchanges as and also didn't help that the market drop. Didn't help that Bithumb got raided. It's the second exchange in South Korea that got raided in the last week. So that didn't help as well. So people are a little nervous, but it's a good buying opportunities. I mean, I like to buy in the red, I like to sell in the green. That's just me. It's a chain link down here, Stellar's down. Ethereum. These are good. I mean, you buy, you average in. So it says DeFi flippening comes to exchanges as Uniswap topples Coinbase in trading volume. Uniswap has been doing pretty good. I know I've been making a lot of money with Uniswap, so it's been definitely I came up off of Uniswap, man. It's pretty good. So trading volumes are surging on Uniswap and other so-called decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, challenging established venues like Coinbase while driving up fees and congestion on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, Uniswap, a semi-automated automated platform for matching buyers and sellers of cryptocurrencies and other digital assets, saw its trading volume climb to $953.59 million on Tuesday. Now, a more than tenfold gain over the past month. According to the website uniswap.info, the 24-hour trading volume has crossed above $1 billion, at least 50% higher than daily trading volumes observed on Coinbase Pro, the largest US-based centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Now, the rise of decentralized exchanges, or DEX, represents a new chapter of this year's boom in decentralized finance. If you don't know decentralized finance, I'm going to say it in every video, you must be living under a rock and you're doing yourself a disservice. If you want to learn more about decentralized finance, guys, you can definitely come and take my course over on our website, www.cryptoblack.net. Take the course. You'll learn all about decentralized finance over there and staking and how you can get passive income. but we'll go from there. The fast-growing ecosystem known as DeFi consists of automatic lending and trading platforms built atop distributed computing networks like Ethereum and constructed from open-source software and programmable cryptocurrencies. They aim to provide more efficient and less costly ways of conducting transactions currently handled by banks and traditional exchanges. It indicates that the DeFi flippening is real and already here. Denis Vinkokorov, head, I know I botched his name, so head of research at the London-based prime brokerage Bequant, told CoinDesk in a Telegram chat, flippening is crypto jargon used loosely to indicate the hypothetical moment when one blockchain or digital asset trend overtakes another. Now, as you guys can see, the volume, $1.15 billion, up 54% over there on Uniswap. Now, Uniswap's usage has grown so rapidly that it's taken over the top spot among fee payers on the Ethereum network. Where most of the DeFi development is taking place, the total value locked in the DeFi applications, the most common metric for measuring the activity, has increased 13-fold this year to about $9.2 billion, according to the data tracking website DeFi Pulse. Now, Uniswap, you learn about that as well on my in the course if you don't know. Now, Uniswap has now moved into the top spot in total value locked at $1.7 billion. Now, CoinDesk reported Tuesday, while overall decentralized exchange volumes nearly tripled in August to 11.6 billion from July levels, as DeFi assets approach $10 billion, one narrative we may see is that crypto is a completely separate new sphere of economics and finance. So I've been preaching for the last 4 years, guys. According to a blog post Tuesday by FinTech Blueprint, curated by Lex Sokolin of the Ethereum-focused developer Consensus, it does not need to connect to the world, to old world. It simply needs to be left alone to perform. Now, traders on Uniswap has paid $5 million, with over 10,805 ETH in transaction fees. I know I paid a lot of that. A lot of that is my money. In transaction fees in the past 24 hours, according to data source Etherscan.io. That's more than double the amount paid for transfers of the dollar-linked stablecoin Tether, which has been the top contributor according to ethgasstation.info. And man, last night I paid $37 for in gas fees on Uniswap. So I mean, but you gotta make sure when you get inside these different tokens that you're gonna get the reward. So I didn't mind paying the gas fee because I knew the reward is gonna be much higher. So, but you gotta make sure you get into the right one, and plus, some things you'll be holding on for a little while anyway. So, if you 10x on it, or you double, triple your money, you 5x or 3x on it. I mean, who cares? You pay $37 in a fee. I mean, it's high, but in the day, I mean, that's nothing compared when you 5x or 10x. Now, and SushiSwap, let me get right. Uniswap designed to be more customizable than centralized exchanges like Coinbase. Instead of listing specific assets available for trading on the platform, traders can choose and list the tokens they want to transact in. Now, currently, the platform boosts more than 6,020 tokens. Now, in SushiSwap, a lot of guys DCG, got this thing here. So SushiSwap, they made a lot of money. They started using it. So a 5-day-old unaudited project that's an adaptation of Uniswap has already moved into the number 3 spot of payers of Ethereum Gas, which is a unit used to calculate fees for token transfers on the Ethereum blockchain. Yeah, it's a lot of SushiSwap. I heard SushiSwap is doing pretty good as well. I mean, all this stuff sounds funny, guys, but people make a lot of money from it. You got the shrimp token. That's a lot of people in DCG got. They made a lot of money from that as well. And, SushiSwap, I heard they're getting a lot of things as well. But you got tacos, you got pork chops. I mean, it's starting to become funny, but, I mean, you make a lot of money from it too, man. So, you're getting that 2017 Wild West thing going on again. And remember, a lot of people made a lot of money. It's a lot of millionaires right now from a lot of this stuff from the ICO thing that happened over in 2017, and you had that cat. I mean, you had that kitten thing that was happening over there back in 2017, I believe, early 2017, and a lot of people got into that, and they made a lot of money with the kittens and everything. I mean, it sounds funny, guys, but man, a lot of people making a lot of money, man, with the sushis and pork chops and tacos and all this stuff. It sounds funny, but man, when you turn $300 to $15,000, it's no laughing game, at that point. Well, you're pretty happy, so you don't want to, you're not laughing if you missed out on it. So SushiSwap which went live on August 28th, pays out rewards to liquidity providers and its tokens, ticker Sushi, in addition to a share of trading fees. There's already $81 million of liquidity for Sushi on Uniswap, and a 24-hour trading volume of 151.42 million exceeds that of the spot market cryptocurrency trading volumes on mid-tier exchanges like Binance US, Gemini, and Poloniex. The fear of missing out on Sushi reveals the DeFi craze, according to a report Tuesday from the Norwegian cryptocurrency analysis firm Arcane Research. Now, press officials for Coinbase, which is reportedly considering an initial public stock offering, didn't respond to a request for comment. The DeFi has grown so quickly that centralized exchanges like Binance to FTX have rushed to roll out indexes and now trading contracts like futures and perpetual swaps linked to those indexes to give investors a way to bet on the industry segment growth. But according to Vinokorov, DEX might represent a more existential threat to the centralized exchanges. Those already trading on DEX fully realize that growth is only accelerate, Vinokorov told CoinDesk. Now, guys, like I said, you guys can see here, you get the Uniswap tokens and the Sushi Swap and earn Sushi tokens, and like I say, it's funny looking at it, but man, the money that you can make from it is not even funny. And unless you're making the money, but it's not funny if you find out if you missed out on so much money and you laughed at it. It's like you're laughing, you're like, oh man, sushi and tokens, sushi and tacos, pork chops, and then it's up, 300%. You're like, man, I wish I would have gotten that one. But I mean, this is good for DeFi, man. This is good for DeFi. You guys see the exchanges trying to get in on it as well. I'll be surprised if Coinbase, try to pull the rug up under them, but it's decentralized. So I'll be surprised if Coinbase don't try to do something and deal. We all know what happened. I mean, Binance was getting too big, and we seen Binance had to make Binance US. So and we know how that working out. But guys, I mean, let me know what you think about this. With DeFi Flippening comes to exchanges at Uniswap, and Uniswap, is pretty much getting more volume than Coinbase. Could this be the Coinbase killer? Now, and Uniswap is very, very easy to use. And if you look at it, and you guys can see, you guys can look at the past videos I got here on Uniswap, the tutorial. It's very easy to use. I mean, it's Coinbase is really easy. Obviously, Coinbase is really easy as well. But Uniswap, it's so easy. It's I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, it's decentralized. Everything go right into your wallet, whatever wallet you got set up. I think you can do a Coinbase wallet. You can set your Coinbase wallet up with Uniswap. So, I mean, it's pretty good, guys. So just let me know what you think about it. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this video here. And let me know what you think about this here. You guys using Uniswap? You think it's too risky? Are you mad about the fees that come with it? With using decentralized exchanges, or the other words, DEX, or you rather have a centralized exchange to where, okay, you feel more, should I say, secure, or the coins are more vetted, and it's not like the Wild West out there. and you're not paying as much fees. So you're like, you know what? I'm fine with my 3 to 4% or maybe 5 or 10% gains, and I can put my stop losses and all that stuff in, and I'm happy with that. I can control it a little bit more in regards to trades, but you have more control in regards to the DEXs because it's sitting right on your own wallet, which that you own and control. All right. But guys, I love to hear what you guys think about this here, guys. Drop a comment below. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to this channel here. Guys, we're getting close, very, very, very close to 200 subscribers. And I'm waiting to give out that Litecoin. I posted in the Crypto Black group today, the Litecoin. So you guys do see, I mean, I have a whole lot of Litecoin. I tell you what I do. But, you know, I had those Litecoins sitting there just waiting to give out one Litecoin. And I think at the 500 mark, I'm going to give out the second Litecoin. So let's get to 200 subscribers, guys. Let's get, and then let's get to 500. And so I'll give out the other Litecoin. I have it sitting right there in the wallet just for you guys. And then 1,000. I'm gonna do something nice. I'm gonna do something really nice for you guys once we get to 1,000 subscribers here. So tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell everybody. Subscribe to this channel here. Crypto Chuck here, the group Crypto Black. Make sure you guys visit our website, www.cryptoblack.net. We have some merchandise over there as well. And take the course, guys. If you're brand new, take the course. Get some of this money that's out here, guys. All right. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, stack sats and chill, guys. We out of here.